Welcome to this channel. In this video, I want to show you exactly how to create a Facebook pixel. So first of all, if you log into your ad manager, you come and then you see all tools. So you click on all tools and then you go to event manager. So go to event manager. Now, before I continue on how to create a Facebook pixel, I want to explain. Someone may ask, what is pixel, or how do you even, why should you even create a pixel? Now, a Facebook pixel, okay, is like a data source you have to create that will connect to your website, and that website, whatever happens to your website, or whatever people, when you are running an advert, as people see your advert on Facebook and they go to your website, the interactions they take, it can be recorded and it will show on your Facebook event manager for you to know the actions people are taking. Because if you are having an e-commerce website or a website where you typically, at least you want to send traffic from Facebook to your website, to that particular website, you will need a pixel to be able to track whatever information is happening. If you're not able to track that information, if you want to customize your advert to make sales, you won't be able to do that. So let's go. So first of all, when you come, you will see something like connect to data source. Okay. So if you look at data sources, my data sources here, the data sources, in other words, are the pixels I have created. So all these are what pixels I have, and all these pixels are connected to different websites. So if you click on connect to data sources, they will ask you whether you want it to be what do we call it? It should be website, app, offline, CRM, and all that. So in that case, you have to click on web. Web means that you want to track people on a website. So when you select web and you click connect, it will ask you to create a new data set. That is, in other words, to create a new pixel. So they will ask you, use data sets to contain the actions your business cares about. This information can then be used to create audience and run ad campaigns. And then they are asking of the name. So they want us to put a name. And when we put a name here and click on create, we will create a pixel successfully. Now, when we create a pixel, that is not all. We will now have to know how to connect the pixel to our website. In that case, if you are using a WordPress website and you want to know how to connect your pixel to your WordPress website, I did a video earlier on, which is more elaborate on that particular one. So look at the link above. If you're watching this on a computer or on a phone or computer, you can look at it at the video description. You can check the link in the video description. Yeah. So if you follow that particular video, you'll be able to finish the process of connecting your pixel to your WordPress website. So what you have to do now is to put the name and click on create. And after you've created it, you can now follow it to the, you can now watch that video and then be able to connect it to your website. Because if you don't connect it to your website, it won't be able to track the information. So as you can see, this one is tracking information. Those who view the page, those who view the content, all those information have been received. And there are about 550 information received in the last 4 hours. So that is what you basically need to do. Now, if you go through that and you are not able to do it properly, you can come back and then leave your comments in the comment section, or follow the WhatsApp link in the description or the Telegram link in the description to WhatsApp us, and we'll reach out to you, help you to be able to connect your pixel to your website successfully. You also need to know how to connect, to create custom and then custom event and standard events. I've also done a video on that and I've left it above, or you can check it in the description of this video. Once again, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for other more powerful videos. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.